Oh yeah, dude, the latest programming stream of all time, dude. It's 3:46, like almost 4, dude. Look, it's a rough day, okay. My girlfriend's still recovering from surgery, so it's just like I gotta do what's important first, okay. All right, which is obviously not that, not take care of her. Let me have my game streams, or not. At programming. Okay. So today's probably not gonna be a super long programming stream for the record, because it's, it is, as it turns out, it is almost 4 p.m., which is crazy. So I mean, we got a couple things to tackle that'll just be quick. Look, another reason why it's a little later than normal is because I slight prepped, okay? A little bit, slightly, tiny bit I prepped, okay? I know what we're doing today, okay? So, our goals today, okay, Chad? This one, yeah, okay. This is the good one, okay. Goals today, okay? We really only have one, and it's gonna take like 5 seconds. Or not 5, I mean, it'll take a little bit longer than that, but it won't take that long. It's just to get items, or Nexus items, going to the guy, and giving stats, okay? This is our goal today, okay? It's gonna be easy, it's gonna be quick, yeah, it's not gonna be too crazy. 2 streams in a row? Like, it's not even that crazy anymore. I feel like recently, I've been on a good roll, okay? Not amazing, but I feel like it's been better. Arguably. I don't know, dude. Help with what, Ender? What? Not able to sleep? Or something else, bro? Spider? In your room? Oh, God. Alex is gonna get secondhand arachnophobia, dude. It's okay. Everyone knows the spiders that go away just go into your yummy mouth while you're sleeping, dude. It's good. The earlier you go to sleep, Ender, the faster it'll go directly into your mouth and esophagus. Delicious. Okay, so once again, he had to leave. Look what you did, Ender. It's all your fault. You could have caught him earlier, bro. Okay, so I already have these open here, apparently. Do I already... Okay, I have... Wait. Okay, I know I said I prepped, but this doesn't already work, right? Oh, actually, okay, no. It's fine. I know it doesn't work, and another thing we can do is I want to make it so that items shoot towards the guy, okay? So what I mean by that is, like, I don't know if how I'm gonna actually do this in terms of, like, the lore or anything, but just, like, like some visual representation of your items getting sent to the guy. I could do it either by shooting them in, like, a physical sense at him. I could do them with just, like, a UI, they just broop. However I feel like, right? It's nothing fucking crazy. So, that's our 2 goals, okay? Is to basically just get the commander guy and the item stuff all set up and working. And then we'll probably also, I'll probably add, like, at least a new item that's just, like, specifically a stat booster for your dude, basically, right? Because I do want you to have to prioritize between production and a different item. I mean, we'll see. Maybe I don't do that, honestly. Maybe I'll just make it so you just produce producers and, like, things that'll help you grow your factory. But I do think that having, or having a reason to make things is good, right? So, like, essentially what would be science, right? But stat boosters. And, the 2 things you want to be creating are stat boosters and units. But I think, I still need to know how, I need to figure out how we want to tackle units. I don't really know exactly how I want to do it still, because I don't want, the screen needs to be not Omega cluttered. You know what I mean? The screen has to be just, like, it has to be clean enough, there can't be we can't Zerg rush the whole time, you know what I mean? That's basically all I'm trying to say, right? So I think that's kind of the goal for today. Is just get the main guy working, so we can kind of figure out what we want to do with our other stuff. Let me lock this also. Lock. No, lock. I can't. Hold on. What is this? Children are not selectable. Okay. Lock and children not selectable. There we go. Okay, great. And then we just hide the UI again. Goodbye. Away you go. Okay. Great. So, hold on. I have I have a dog shit algorithm playing right now, chat. So give me 1 second. I gotta click the button, dude. There we go. Okay. Actually, oh wait, hold on. You know something crazy? Dude, I found what I believe to be like probably the highest level Scratch project I've ever seen, dude. I didn't even know, like, I didn't actually understand that Scratch could do this. Hold on, where is it? Is it this one? Yeah. Okay. This game right here, this fucking dice game, this is a Scratch game, dude. It's insane. Look, it's got... I didn't know Scratch had ints that went this high. Like, this Scratch... I didn't even know Scratch had, like... I mean, anything, realistically, dude. It's so insane what this guy has done. I don't know who the creator is, unfortunately. I mean, here, hold on. Can I check? Mayhaps. Yeah, DuckDat0507. I don't understand exactly why he did this. I don't know why he made a game in Scratch. I don't know what, like, you know, drove him to do this. But, dude, it's so crazy. What do you mean, is it an idle game, dude? What is it? You think any game that's not an idle game is gonna get numbers in E103 territory, dude? Come on. Okay, let's just... Come on. It looks like an FPS. Oh my god, wait, I can see the resemblance, dude. Come on. This is like the craziest Scratch mode I've ever seen. I don't know. It's got like multi-layered progression with prestige systems. You can't save because it's a Scratch game, and the save function looks terrible. I mean, you know, as expected, right? But still, it's insane, dude. Like, he's got achievements. I really did not know Scratch had the ability, like, the power to even make anything like this, dude. I mean, I think I've used Scratch like once when I was like, you know, 10 or something, but I don't know, dude. It's crazy. This shit is crazy, dude. Okay, let's get into our stuff then. Make cheese sim in Scratch. The only problem is that you can't save. So no saving, you know, is a big suck, dude. It's pretty cringe, but I don't know. I mean, Scratch can't access the browser. Probably. That means you can never quit. I mean, that's true. I've had this tab open. How much RAM is this tab taking up? Can I check like this? No, sometimes Chrome lets me hover over and check. A whole ass fucking... Like, okay. It is a Scratch game, so it's gonna be smaller. But it's a whole game with, like, images and stuff. And it's taking up 285 megs. Okay, for the record, chat... actually, you know what? Chrome is doing okay today. It's actually doing better than normal. You know, my stream manager, it's only taking up 600 gigs or 600 megabytes of RAM. That's not that bad, dude. It's a cool game. I just wanted to shout out a cool Scratch pack because I've never seen that before, dude. I've literally never in my life have I seen that. So. Okie doke. So, we already have the attribute stuff kind of working. So, what I need to do is basically put a function in here for the Nexus to find... Okay, do we want to... what do you call... I don't have support for multiple commanders yet. But I want to future-proof it. Also, by the way, I've been thinking about it a little bit, like for 2 seconds. I have not made this game ready to be multiplayer that much. So when I go through that, we're probably gonna have to do a bunch of shit, unfortunately, but it's okay. It's okay. All right, it's fine. It'll suck a little bit, but it's not gonna be the end of the world. It just, we're gonna have to rewrite some stuff when I eventually do make it multiplayer, because as of right now, there's like a player class, but it doesn't do what the player class is supposed to do. And the fact that there should be multiple of them and you can take from either kind of doesn't do that right now. So yeah, we gotta change for sure some stuff later, but that's a for later problem. Okay, I don't know why I didn't think about it as I was programming at all. Probably because I'm just in a new engine and I'm just like, I just want to get something out there, right? I mean, I could also just forgo multiplayer, but I don't know, man. I think multiplayer is actually your best marketing, like, possible. Like, I think making a single-player game, like, marketing a single-player game is so either expensive or hard, right? One way you can go about it is you do, like, you know, like, you could, like, send out your game to, like, streamers and shit. Like, you go, like, find, like, some small streamer playing, like, you know, Factorio and say, hey, bro, I'm making a game. You want a free copy to play? Which is, like, or you go to an expensive, like someone like bigger and like Nilaus or whatever, and say, hey bro, I'm making a cool game, but I probably gotta pay you fucking $9 million, right? So yeah, I don't know. It's either really expensive or a lot of work. Kind of like how, I mean, content works, dude. Like on YouTube, you can either you know, do a lot of work or have a lot of money, dude. Speaking of which, you see pay to wins coming to small YouTubers, dude? Although not really. I mean, I don't know. It's really weird. I might have gotten it wrong, but like there's like some new like hype thing, which is like a super like basically. And I think the top 100 liked or super liked videos, hyped videos in your country, they'll get circulated more. But like, I'm in America, dude. I'm fucking boned. Like, dude. We should move to Zimbabwe. I'll become a big YouTuber in no time, dude. I hyped my own video once, and I'm literally number 2, bro. Behind the guy who got him and his mom to hype the video. I don't know how much. I don't know. It's weird. I'm not sure how I feel about it. I have to see when it comes out for real. I mean, you know, there's a chance it's just a scam. It doesn't even do anything. You know what I mean? So. Okay, so base commander. This should have a function that's like, you know, just public void send items. And then this will take in a list of our item. Right? Then we'll break it down into the components here. Why are you mad suddenly, dude? What the fuck changed? What? Hold on. You're telling me I comment this out and it doesn't go away? But if I delete it... It's only on Control Z? Can we pause for a second, dude? Excuse me. Hold on. Send items. Okay, so if I make it it's just a void, it's fine. But the second I do, here, hold on. What if I just do list R item? Oh no, I see why. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna get rid of this. Just use collections. I don't know why it's trying to use a Godot list, okay? So, that's what's going on. God, what a weird fucking... I'm surprised I haven't run into that, honestly. I guess. I feel like I should have run into that already, but I mean, look, at least we fixed it fast. Okay, so send items, and then this will take in list of our items. And then we need a way to get the commander. So in probably the game manager, right here, yeah. Okay, so this adds a child to it. But let's also just up here just have a list of base commanders. Commanders. Right, and then we can just put it in here, and we can get it whenever we want. I mean, I should probably just make it public, but... yeah, whatever. Look, it's fine, dude. Look, it's fine. I mean, nothing should really change it from the outside, probably, unless I want to make some augment that does it. But even, alright, fine. Here, we'll do this, okay? We'll do this, okay? How about that? Okay, we'll be a little bit smart about it. Okay, then. Oh, but I can't initialize and No, okay, it's fine. I can just do commanders. I can just do it here. It's fine. It's chill, dude. Okay. I do want this to be up here. Yes, I mean, it doesn't really make a difference. Look, I'm getting sick recently. I've been sleeping a lot. Like, dude, I slept for like, this is like the most sleep I've ever gotten, like in terms of hours, and yet the most tired I've ever been. Which is like, I don't know. I mean, a long time ago, I used to like someone was like, you know, like I had like a friend who was just like, if I sleep for too long, I always feel terrible. And I never really got that until maybe now. Maybe it's just I'm sleeping so much, I'm just like died. But how does that make sense, dude? You know what I mean? How, like, sleep is just a fucking... It's so stupid, dude. It's like we know nothing about it, and yet it's like a core thing that we need to survive, dude. And everyone relies on caffeine, bro, to survive in everywhere. I feel like we should just know more. You know what I mean? Instead of it just being like literally what the fuck. Okay, so in game manager, so here, right? Then we can do. Yeah, okay, so I can do bay or commanders, add. Hold on, wait. Hold on. I am instantiating it here, and I'm setting it here. Oh, right. Now that makes sense. Yeah, because I want to set the loadout at the beginning of the game, or before you like in your loadout selector menu. I want to set it there, and then send that to game manager. Yeah. Well, I mean, it doesn't matter. I can do it however I feel like later. But yeah, so this is correct. Well, okay. I guess I only have one commander. It's not even like this should be a list if I want to support multi, but I don't fucking know. We'll just add it. It's fine. Loadout, select the commander. Okay. And then yes, now I can grab this whenever. So then in the Nexus ready should happen after game manager, I believe. Where does actually... It's in the tile entity manager, right? Oh. Okay, let me make the static. Can I make the static? I can, right? Yeah, okay. And then, yeah, okay, so then in here, Nexus. In ready, we're gonna do... Okay, fuck it, dude. I'm just gonna... I take it back. We're gonna go with 1, okay? Maybe one day I'll add support. I'll have to go back and add support for multi. I mean, okay, is it gonna be hard to do? I mean, here's the thing. It just doesn't make any sense to put it in the list. Because it's gonna make everything slightly annoying. You know what I mean? Fuck if I won't... Well, fine. I'll do it that way. Alright, whatever. List of commanders. Base commander, commanders. Okay, so... Then before this happens, game manager... commanders. We'll just do commanders equals. Okay. So then, what is this on click supposed to? Oh, right. This is supposed to change the UI. Okay, but I don't do that right now. It's fine. The UI doesn't need to change, so that's fine. Probably. So I need a function in here. That is, this is the button press. So this is Nexus UI. Yeah, on slider. Oh. Okay. Okay. So Nexus UI is this. Hold on. let me think for a second, dude. So the Nexus UI is the one that's gonna send. This is the button that's gonna send a thing, right? But from the Nexus. Okay, let me look at the Tilecrafter again. Here it is. Tilecrafter. Okay, what does your on-click do, bro? It grabs the things, it fills them out, and then... Yeah, it sets the storages to their stuff, and the item to craft. Okay. So, I guess... For this... Okay, the Nexus UI should have a reference to a Nexus. So, we'll just have in here... Nexus... And then on click. Do I have the Nexus UI? Also, I don't know why this isn't in the, what do you call? In the ready function. I probably should do that. In Nexus. Okay, so I don't have access to that. So let's just export a Nexus UI. This UI. Okay. So then in here, gonna build. Oh, well, I'm dumb. Right, never mind. Okay, hold on. Not this. No export. No get set. Just equals null. I changed my mind, dude. I changed my mind. In ready. Okay, so I gotta do some cringe shit. I gotta do basically the same thing here. So just Nexus UI equals get parent, get node, Nexus UI, percent Nexus UI. Actually, is it? It might be a control. Is this a? No, okay, that's correct. Okay, and then just if Nexus UI is null. Oops. It's like broken. I probably should actually assert in these because like if that happens, I mean, it's basically impossible for that to happen. You know, like if it doesn't load this, I don't know, dude. Something fucking horrible happened, bro. Like out of my control, basically, right? So like I should probably like crash, in the case of this, but. Can I just assert? Assert. Okay, hold on. How do I remember looking up C Sharp C asserts, but how do I just like assert throws? Assert.throws. Returns the exception that's thrown, which lets you assert on the exception. What the fuck, dude? Okay, hold on. Is it using system assert or using assert? I closed it. Fuck, dude. How do I get a debug that assert? system.diagnostics. Okay, is that it? System.diagnostics.assert. No. Okay. Okay, let's try debug assert. Okay. If the condition is false, displays a message. Okay, so let's just do not equals null. And then, okay, so this is when I should do real like exception handling, right? Where I, rather than pushing the error here, I should send the exception. But okay, look, man, we gotta shift the game one day. Okay, there's only so much time I can spend. Look, considering how little time I've spent working on this game recently, there's only so much time I can spend on good programming practices. Okay. Okay, so if the inventory, or not inventory, no, this needs to be Nexus UI. Okay, so set the thing, and then, so in here we gotta do Nexus UI dot Nexus. Isn't that public? Okay, Nexus equals this. I'm getting the control. What is that? Okay, so I'm only using it to get node. When again, this should be called in the ready function. Not gonna lie, I don't really remember what the fuck this shit does, dude. I think it's fine though. Is this, hold on. Is this what I think it is? Do I get the, whatever I'm clicking? Where is game UI? On click. Oh, I do. I pass him whenever I feel like. Oh. Well, okay. I guess I could use. It doesn't matter, dude. Look, we have a reference to it always. I think we should do that anyways. Okay. Personally, just makes more sense to do it that way. I should probably get rid of this, honestly, and put everything in the ready function. But oh no, I'm dumb. That's right. I don't. No, I should just have a static. What's Look, it's fine, bro. All right, it's fine. Yeah, this should just be a static across all of them. Oh, but then I guess I can't call it. Is that why I do that? Maybe that's why I do that. Because yeah, I don't want to have every crafter have a reference to this. I mean, it's only 8 bytes, but you know, I mean, I would rather have my game not take up Google Chrome levels of RAM, unless it has to, right? Like if the world is giant, yeah, it's gonna take up some RAM. But otherwise, I would, you know, hopefully like to avoid that, right? I think that's all I have to do actually. So Nexus equals Nexus, and then so I need just a void. So I guess I'll just do it under all the checks change stuff. So void on send button pressed. And then does this give me a button, or do I just, let's see, send button pressed plus equals, what? Bro, no. What the fuck? Okay. Whatever. On send button press is sent, and then so here all I have to do is Nexus send. Oh, and then I make the function call in here. So public void send items, and then it's gonna be just the ID and the count, because I can't send multiple at once. I think eventually I probably want to make it so that if you send, or you can have it so that there's basically like a buy order, right? So if I have over this many conveyor belts, just start chucking them, right? Because you don't need a million conveyors, or you shouldn't. I mean, if you want that many, I guess you could, but you know, not recommended by doctors, dude. Okay, so on send button pressed. So do I actually have access to the fucking? I guess I should. Okay, let me just do int num items. And then in all three of these, we will change it to num. So item line dot text. Wait, num items. It's right here. Okay, here, just do this. Fixed, dude. Okay. And then in here, get rid of this too. Fixed. And then there should be one more down here, right? Item count. Item line dot text equals item count. Hold on. This is the text changed. No, this is the item count. Okay, count equals text dot toInt. Percent. Okay. Okay, it should be this. Yeah, okay. So this should just be num items. And then this should also be num items. And then in here, I need to do num items equals item count. And then this has to be here. All right, now fuck! Oh, shit! Oh, no, okay, yeah. Never mind. It's fine. Don't panic. Okay. Num items goes here, and then that's good. Okay, yeah. So then on send button pressed, I just do... Here, we'll do if nexus is null. Just return. Then... It should be impossible to click the button and change the stuff on the same frame. So I think I'm just not going to worry about that. Right? I think that's fair. And just do nexus send items. And then, so this is going to be int item ID and int count. Okay. So then it'll be item ID count. Or num items. Oh, I also need to do, okay, if item ID is -1, also return. Okay, so then in here, do I have access to inventory in here? I do. Okay, inventory, take item, ID count, and then... Okay, so then I don't... I guess I would want them to split between if I had multi-commanders. I don't know, dude. We'll have to think about that if I ever do that. Okay, I'm gonna go take a piss and get water real quick. Then we just send them to the commanders, basically, and that's it, okay? Alright, I'll put a comment just to do if implementing multi-commanders, change this probably. So just for each var commander in commanders, I just want to commander send items. All right. Yeah. Okay, I guess this doesn't take in a list. I guess it's just the same. It's item or int item ID and int count, I guess. Okay. So currently, this is gonna send it to an equal amount to all of them, which again, probably not how I want to tackle it in the future, but it doesn't fucking matter. It doesn't fucking matter, right? Then in here, man, it's a fucking convoluted chain of shit, dude. But I feel like this is the right way to do it, right? I mean, it's all compartmentalized into the boxes where they're supposed to go. This is sometimes why I hate doing things this way, because it's just like, things get so convoluted, kind of for no reason, but I mean, I don't know, man. It's the way it makes sense, dude. You know what? Hold on. Let me kill EGS, dude. Get out. Fucking, like, it's actually crazy that like EGS is like, it gives you like a free game and all this shit, and yet I still hate it. Like, the only reason I haven't like tried to play Satisfactory 1.0 is because I have it on EGS, and I just it can't be fucked, dude, to open it and like run it through there. It's just so laggy, and I don't know, man. Like, I swear, Steam UI is laggy, and somehow Epic Games is... Somehow it's even more, dude. C# introduced parameter code refactoring provider. I guess I'll enable... What the fuck does that mean, dude? Alright, whatever. So we just gotta get the item here. So R item equals item manager... item list, item ID. Okay. If it's null, just return. Else. So okay, this function should just be adding the stats. Nothing to do with the method or anything, right? So like if I do make a gun that shoots the items at our commander, this should have nothing to do with that. This should just be give the stats, basically. So this will do, yeah, so just item, or hold on, added stats. I guess I'll just hard code it for now. I mean, it kind of sucks to add new stats. Is there a way to do this better? I guess I could iterate through the stats. So everything's gonna have to be in the same order then, right? Health, speed, attack speed, magic, cast speed. Okay. So yeah, I guess I can iterate through these, and I can just have at the bottom here count. So then for each bar stat in our unit stats. Hello? Okay, I have to do not for each. Okay, it's kind of cringe, dude. So, oh, and then dot count. Does it work? Does it just, nah, yeah, okay. I guess I just cast it to an int and be chill. I don't know. If there's a better way to do this, I actually, like, I guess, I mean, you can put a first. You could do like this. Actually, I guess you could do this. I guess. And then, it's first plus one. I'm just gonna do it this way, dude. All right, look, I don't think it matters that much, bro. Okay, so then what I want to do is in our unit, Or no, our item. Okay, so I guess it does kind of suck because this is just like, it's just 6 things. I mean, ideally this would be a list, right? Then actually ideally it would be a dictionary. Okay, right. I don't want to mess with the inspector plugin shit anymore, dude. It just sucks. Honestly, it's not very fun. Because the default, like, dictionary editor in Godot is, I mean, for what I want to do at least, it's fucking horrible. I mean, honestly, it's kind of fucking horrible, just period, across the board. I think it's shit, dude. Not gonna lie. Like, it's basically a key value pair editor, which is like, I mean, again, it does the bare minimum, I guess. But, you know, I feel like for any real data, you're gonna want to probably do something different, right? So I think I'm just gonna not. We're gonna not. Okay. We'll just keep it as this for now. If I ever want to get a little kooky with the stats and add like a trillion, I'll probably have to do something then. But I think for now, honestly, if I have that, we'll just keep it normal, okay? So, added stats. Oh, actually, hold on. No. We just do this then. Added stats. This guy. It's just gonna be all kind of hard-coded, which kind of sucks, but you know, whatever. Plus equals item dot added or health attribute. Yeah, okay. Times count. This is a flow or double. Yeah, that should all equal a double. Yeah. Okay. And then I just gotta do this, fucking, what, 6 times? Alright, sure. 4, 5, 6, okay. So, attack, or, no, it's speed, then attack. Not that one. Why does it add the longer one? Dude, I swear to God, Visual Studio Auto Fill, like, IntelliSense, it's, like, I depend on it so much, but it's also so ass, dude. How does it think me typing attack means I want the longer one before the shorter one, dude? Come on. Okay, so now if I type attack, how? Why? I mean, I guess it saves keystrokes technically because I don't have to type it out as much to get to attack speed, but I don't know, man. Okay, magic and cast speed. Okay. Then I just gotta change all these to speed attribute, attack attribute, attack speed. Well, see, why doesn't it do this one then? See what I mean? And then magic attribute, and then cast speed attribute. Okay. So, all right. Actually, you know what? New goal. Look, we have our 2 goals, but actually, new goal first. Make a Commander UI stats panel, just so I can see if this is working, because I don't right now. I can't. This shouldn't take that long, for the record. It should be relatively simple. Okay. I'm just gonna. I probably should move these out to scenes, like a lot, but it's okay. All right, it's fine, chat. Add a child node. Add a control. This will be called Commander UI. Okay. So then add child node. So okay, I want the same setup as everything else, which is a color rect. Color rect with what's my color again? 31 31 31. Okay. In hex. So 31 31 30. Oop. There we go. Okay. And then I also need to, where is this? Oh, bruh. What? Wait. How do I? Game UI. Oh. Wait, no. Wait. Game UI. Why is it small, dude? Shouldn't it? Can I not? Okay. I mean. Oh no! Don't do that. Wait, hold on. Okay. Then what if I recenter? Is that fine? Now if I unhide this? Okay. That does work. Okay, well, okay. Regardless, this needs to not be in game UI, actually. This needs to be... Okay, so I need a new... No, it just exists on its own. It just exists out here. On its own. Which is weird, but I mean... It makes sense, though, right? And then here, I want this to be anchors. And this should be bottom left. There we go. Okay. Amazing, dude. So, do we want to be fancy with this? Look, I know I said I'm not gonna probably stream for too long today, but I kinda want to be fancy, dude. I mean, give me a reason not to be. You know what I mean? Okay, let me explain the vision. All right, I want to add a camera to this so that it tracks the commander, right? So you can actually see him in combat or wherever he is, whatever the fuck he's doing, right? Al, you know, too late. It's too late now, dude. It's already in my mind. I'm not getting it out. Okay, let's make this relatively big then. Like, it should be taller. Oh, that's too tall. Okay, 300. And how about like 200? Yeah. Okay. So you see what I'm getting at? So there will be a camera here showing you your guy, and then underneath that will be like the stats, right? And it should just look like, you know, I mean, look, as much as I dislike the League of Legends UI, I think they do a pretty good job of showing you all your stats. Okay, it's not, except that it's not here. Bro. Who plays with the stats on? Bro, this fucking Sherwood motherfucker is playing a bot game with his stats off. Oh my god. Okay, you know what I'm talking about though, right? The little stats panel, I just need that, okay? It's it's not that complicated, alright? Okay, so, I gotta add a camera 2D. Wait. Oh, hold on. Okay. Not a camera 2. Maybe it's a viewport? What is it? What even is a viewport, dude? I haven't taken graphics in so long. An interface to a game world that doesn't create a window or draw to the screen directly. Okay, I gotta think. I think it is a viewport. I think it's a viewport, and then I move it. Let's see. Godot sub viewport. What are you? Who are you? An interface of the game world that doesn't create a window or draw to the screen directly. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Sub viewport is a viewport that isn't a window. Dude, what the fuck is a... Okay, what's a viewport? Like, I took graphics in college, and I kind of didn't really pay attention that much. So, forgive me if I'm a bit lost, okay? In the terminology. Drawing an interaction with a game world. Okay, a viewport creates a different view into the screen or a sub-view instead of another viewport. Child 2D nodes will display on it, and a child camera 3D nodes will render on it too. Okay. So yeah. I want a sub-viewport. Sub-viewport. Okay, and then we'll call this like Commander View. Okay. Where the fuck are you? What is it looking at? Where is... Can I... Is this like a physical object? Render target. Oh, no, that's not it. What the fuck am I looking at, dude? Okay, let's using viewports. Let's check this out first, okay? Think of a viewport as a screen onto which the game is projected. Yeah, I get that. Yeah, so how do I just want to move it to a spot. How do I do that? Inputs, wait. Don't automatically receive input unless they receive it from their direct... okay, let's just disable input on it, right? Like, just to be safe. Where is that? In GUI? GUI. Okay, disable input. Okay. The listen... No, we don't need... Okay, camera. Yeah. It will always display on the closest parent viewport. Aha! Okay. So, what? I add a... Okay, yeah. So I add a camera into here. Okay, so in the viewport. All right, let's add it in the viewport just to be safe, right? So add a child node, camera 2D, commander camera. Okay, so this guy is where? I don't see him. Okay, I'm just gonna run the game and see what happens, because I have no idea what it should just show me a box of somewhere, right, in the bottom left of my screen. Except it does. Do I have to draw it? Camera A will display on the root viewport and will draw mesh A. Camera B will be captured by the sub viewport along with mesh B. Wait. Mesh B is in the scene hierarchy. It will not be drawn to the root viewport. Similarly, mesh A will not be visible from the sub viewport because viewports only capture nodes below them in the hierarchy. Bruh. What? But why? That seems... Is not the whole point of a viewport is to be able to look at a different part of my game world? Okay, hold on. Maybe it's not a viewport. Maybe it's just a camera. Okay, hold on. Camera 2D Godot. What the fuck do you... How? Forces the screen to scroll following this node. Only one camera can be active per viewport. No, okay, it's not. Rendering multiple cameras in the same scene. Yeah, that's what I want, right? But that's not... Oh god. Okay, so this is how you screenshot, I guess. Viewport container? No. Okay. Okay, disable 3D. Let's do that too. How the fuck do I... Where do I do that? Disable 3D. I mean, I think this is... I mean, I obviously need it because I need 2 cameras, right? That's just... You gotta do that. Disable 3D, okay. Rendering to a sub viewport, whatever is inside will not be visible in the scene editor. To display the contents, you have to draw the sub viewport's viewport texture somewhere. So I literally am just updating a sprite every frame. That seems... I mean... In my mind, that sounds horrible, dude. Are you serious? Every frame, the viewport texture is cleared away with the default clear color. And then... Okay. Okay. I don't... Why is it so weird, dude? Okay, hold on. What about... This is a little asset. I don't want to download a whole fucking thing, dude. I just want to... I feel like it should be easier than I'm thinking to just... capture a second part of my screen. No? I'm crazy? I feel like it should not be this complicated, bro. I mean, okay, I guess I'll just... So I have to re-update with a viewport texture, the real viewport, move the camera there, and then just do that every frame. It seems jank as fuck, dude. But I guess that's just how you do it. I don't know. I assume the reason they sub viewport would be that I could just, you know, see a second part of the world, dude. No, okay, no. There has to be an easier way, bro. There has to be, dude. Assigned to a viewport texture. Okay, wait. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it is render target, own world. Where is that set, dude, is the question. Canvas items, variable rate shading, rendering. Because it says in here, right? It says, it can be assigned in the editor by selecting new viewport texture. But... okay, what I'm thinking, right, is if I assign the main viewport texture to this one, that should work, right? Oh, no. Render target, no, this is not. But where is it, dude? Use XR. Okay, maybe I have... It can be assigned in the editor. Viewport.get texture. Shouldn't it just be here? Okay. Texture. Did I add the wrong thing? Okay, let me just make sure. I added a sub viewport, right? Not a viewport. You can't even make it the other one. It's not here, man. It's not here, dude. God. Bro, this should not be as hard as it is, dude. Brother, it's render target. No, this is fine. Oh, no, I see. Okay. Never mind. Okay, the viewport doesn't have a texture. What the fuck, dude? So I have to... Okay, hold on. Let me reread this. Because I mean, again, maybe it's just faster than I give Godot credit for. Maybe Godot is just fast as fuck boy, dude. And it's just chill, dude. I don't know. Re-rendering of the sub-viewport happens when its viewport texture has been drawn in a frame. If visible, it will be rendered, otherwise it will not. The behavior can be changed by setting update mode. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay, so maybe it's just fast. I mean, we can profile it, right? We can see if it's just if Godot is just truly fast as fuck boy, and if it is, I guess that's cool. I don't fucking know. All right, I'm gonna go take a piss. I'll be back because I don't know. Okay. I mean, okay, if I have to redraw every frame, that kind of blows, right? We don't want to do that. I mean, I could just ignore this for now. You know, maybe I should get the base, like, the feature I'm trying to add before I put the fucking bells and whistles on, but that's no fun, dude. Alright, fine. Fuck it. Oh. No! Holy shit. I almost closed OBS. Don't do that. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Okay. Okay, so... Alright, I'm gonna look at dynamic split screen demo. Just for like a second, okay? Okay, view files. Okay, it is relatively small. Camera controller.gd. It's a split screen shader? No, dude. Oh, actually, oh, no, I see. It's dynamic split screen, as in if they get close enough, it probably merges the screens together, right? They have camera 1, camera 2, the unproject position. Where do they just do? Is it here? God, fragment shaders. What do they just draw the camera, dude? Why is it so... Okay, what if I... WebP, show me. It won't? I'm sick, dude. Am I still a strong believer in the fact that Yorkshire pudding is ass? I mean, I wouldn't call it strong, because I still don't really know what it is. I don't think I've ever had it before. Again, just for the record, when I made that stream title... Dude, I was just like sitting there, like, what should I name my stream title? And it's like a beam from God directly entered my brain, dude, and I was just like, that's it, dude. I have no, it's not even pudding, dude. It's fucking bread. That's the worst part, dude. What's a Yorkshire pudding? Okay, look, this is what Yorkshire pudding is, dude. It's bread, and it's like, it's deflated bread. Now, the UK fuckers in my chat, aka just one guy, actually, it was just Heretta, was like, it's the best, it's so good. I don't know, dude. I don't know, man. Like I said, I've never had it, so I can't call it definitively dog shit. But like, it doesn't look great, you know? It's just, it looks to me like it's like a pocket pussy in bread form. Like, it's just not appetizing looking, dude. Right? So I don't fucking know, man. I don't know, dude. I've had it and it's nice, but I wouldn't call it pudding. Okay, see, Ender's so base, dude. Understands that pudding is... I mean, I don't really know what... Like it's just like a kind of liquid thing. I guess that's the way you would say it. I don't... Viewport 2. Okay, wait. Camera 2. Wait, yeah, hold on. Viewport 2. Where? That's it? Oh, it's right here. Okay, wait, so how does it draw, dude? Is it view? What is view? What the fuck is a view? This is fucking above my pay grade, chat. This shit is above my pay grade, bro. I got no clue what the fuck I'm looking at, dog. A bread light? A flesh bread? Yeah, I guess I don't know, dude. It just doesn't look great. I don't know. Like like I said, it was just a message from Jesus himself, dude. I don't want to. I'm not downloading this. I refuse to download this, chat. I'm not doing it. All right. I'm just gonna. Okay, let's just try to noodle around and figure it out. Instead of doing the feature work I said I was gonna do, let's just noodle around, dude. Let's just fucking find it. Let's just try some stuff, you know? I mean, okay, let's just, for example, if I put a sprite 2D and I put like just oh wait, what if I do this? I can't do this. I can't get the... Okay. Great. It's not... Yeah, okay, it's not here. Okay, let's just try a... Just quick load. Okay, conveyor. Okay, so... This exists fucking somewhere. I don't really know where, but... Wait, viewport... Oh, no, it's fine. Okay, run it. What the fuck happens, dude? Fuck you, Omi. It's not here! Where is... Oh, wait. Okay, I see it! But it's not... here. Okay. Okay, no, I'm understanding the universe, alright? I understand. So, what I want to do is add a child node here. This is a sprite 2D. And then this is a new viewport texture of this. Okay. That is weird. That is bizarre. Alright. So, I think what I can do, though, is I can get the main viewport. So, okay, I have to make a script here. Just call it, like, commander view. Okay. So, in the ready function, right? Wait, no, that doesn't make any sense, dude. It doesn't make sense, dude. I'm not a graphics programmer, bro. How do I make it draw? How do I make it? I just wanted to draw the real view. Oh, no. No, I know the future. Okay, I see. I'm seeing the universe, dude. Okay. I'm understanding everything. Okay. So, I have to make... Okay. Add a child node. A sprite 2D. Okay, not this one. No. Oh, wait, yeah, this one. Okay, this will be viewport. sprite. Okay. Then in this, I gotta get it. So sprite 2D, viewport sprite. This is okay, get node. This is viewport sprite. Okay. So okay, okay. So now viewport sprite. This. The texture is gonna be equal to get viewport. This gets the the closest one. No. Okay, hold on. Wait. This is okay. Hold on. Get parent. Get viewport. Get texture. Okay. I can await rendering server frame post draw signal. Look, I'm just gonna do this, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay. So if I do this and then build, okay, it works. And then in here, I guess yeah, let's re-add the sprite 2D here. We can see what the fuck is going on. And then this will be a view texture of this. So this should recurse infinitely, I think, actually. Oh, yeah. 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 Yeah, okay, well, it's not recursing because it's not in the center. But if I move it to the center... Oh, wait, what? Oh, yeah. Move it here. Okay. Now it should recurse infinitely, right? And it might crash my game. Oh, yeah! That looks pretty fucking cool, dude. Okay, it's actually pretty fast. I guess updating a sprite every frame, or a texture every frame, it's just chill like that, dude. I guess. It's... Oh, God. Oh, okay, hold on. No, wait. First, I got... Okay, let me delete this guy. Yeah. This needs to go. And then... Okay. Look, we're getting somewhere, alright? We're getting somewhere. The user playing Factorio Roguelike sounds insane. It kind of is. I don't really know how to design it or where I'm going with it. But, you know, I think this game's either going to be legitimately really fun or fucking horseshit. Now, the question is that could be due to the fact that the general idea is bad, or because I'm a bad designer? I mean, I think it's a little bit of both. I think there's a lot of balancing and stuff I'm going to have to do to make it not feel like it's a constant heart attack, you know what I mean? But I think it will be hopefully cool. Okay, so if I... Oh, fuck. This. Okay, so this actually needs to go in here. Yeah, okay. And then, I mean, I'll look, we'll anchor this in a little bit, okay? For now, I'm just trying to get it to slightly work, alright? So if I run this... Okay, great. Yeah, I see. It's a small version of the game I'm playing. Amazing, dude. Holy shit. Okay, so now what I need to do is the camera inside of that needs to move to see this guy? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. Okay, well, so it has to update with my camera movement, though, right? Which sucks omega balls. But I mean, yeah, I guess it's just what I gotta do. So, okay, so yeah, it has to move with my camera, and then it has to... Okay, yeah. For the record, by the way, I'm currently, I have a lot of ideas, so I'm just trying to get to a point where I can tell if the game is shit, right? So currently, I'm working on a, like, kind of... I don't even know. I guess almost like an RTS in some way, where you build units, so instead of just building, like, you know, like, there's two ways I could have gone. One way is just like, you know, every certain amount of like minutes or whatever, you got to make some number of items of different types, and then you submit them somewhere, and then you win or lose based on that. Which I think that could be cool in its own way, and maybe I'll have that too. I'm not entirely sure. And then another way is to have some sort of combat, and I'm going with that one just because I think it sounds cooler, you know? It sounds cooler in my head. It's got a lot of ways it could, you know, be terrible, but I want to avoid the game feeling too stressful, because that's the problem I had when I played like Factorio the first time. You know, like, if you're like just kind of dumb and you don't know what the fuck you're doing, Factorio sucks, dude. Like, the first the first time you have to make blue science, bro, it's the fucking wall, dude. Going from just like, oh, I'm gonna make, I've automated conveyors to, I gotta do oil, I gotta do liquids, what? So I just want to avoid that feeling, as for, you know, as long as possible, right? It's a hellhole. I agree, only because I get stuck there for eternity, dude. Okay, so I gotta... Also, I guess I should explain what I'm doing. So I'm trying to get this to follow a unit in the game. It's like you have like a guy that's there, and I want to see his stats. Now, again, I could have just made a stat panel, but dude, I kind of put this sauce on it, bro. I mean, come on. Okay, so I need to grab. Okay, here, let's just do this. If I here, we'll put a camera 2D. Camera. Nah, they're not always visible. I'm just, you know, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So I just want to make sure I can see it now. I think it'll be like a, you know, you hit like C or something, and it'll just pop it up in the bottom left, so you can see. Or maybe whenever you open the UI to buff your dudes up. I don't know. We'll see. I'm just trying. I need to make sure I can. I mean, I just need to make sure it works first, right? This is more right now. This is more of a debug tool for me to know anything, right? C for C, dude. C4. Yeah. Okay. So then I just need to build this, and then this. Wait, no. Wait, what is this? Commander view. Oh, this is the view. That's fine. The view can hunt the camera. That's okay. Okay. So, in process, let's just do camera.zoom. No. Let's do position. I cannot just change the X, right? Or can I? Yeah, it's mad because it's fucking stupid, dude. It's not a variable. Fuck you! What do you mean it's not a variable, dude? Okay, fine. I gotta do equals new vector 2 and pass in it again +1 and then do it again. All right. So it should just start going right, I think, or left. That should be right. Yeah. Okay. It instantly died. That's good. So camera is null. Okay. I probably just didn't save. Yeah, I didn't save. All right. Go right. Oh yeah, baby. Okay. Okay. So next thing we need is a base commander. Oh. Okay. Now that I'm thinking about, okay, this will not work. I'm gonna have to make multiple of these per commander if I want to have multiple. Okay. For now, we'll just have it be one. Okay. We can fix that later. I mean, it's a little bit of technical debt, but it's fine, dude. Okay. All right, so in null, or I mean in here, we gotta do game manager, commanders, and then commander equals. Look, we're gonna just okay, we're just gonna if adding multiple commander support, update this, okay? I love tech debt. Don't you guys love technical debt? I think it's one of my favorite things to create in this world, dude. Spaghetti and technical debt. Oh, beautiful. So delicious. Fills my soul up, dude. Okay, so camera.position should equal commander.position. So this is gonna break. I mean, it'll work at the beginning, I think, right? So I can see. No? Ah. Global position. Maybe? Bruh. 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 No, man. No, man. No. No, dude. But why not? Okay. Okay, hold on. Let's do okay, so I need to get the actual camera, the real camera, which is in here. Fuck, dude. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna here, can I cut this? And I'm gonna move it here, all right? Okay, it still works, good. Okay. So I gotta get camera 2D2. What? Just be. Is there another one? Okay, fine. We'll rename it to player camera. Alright. Speaking of spaghetti, what do you think about using AI to make some base code and working from that? I think that's fine. I think if you're, I mean, if you don't want to like, you know, go into software engineering and stuff as your full-time job, and you're doing it for fun. I mean, even if you want to go into your full-time job, I mean, like, you don't want to ever like use AI as a crutch ever, because you know that's when you get fired, right? It's like I wrote my whole website using AI and then it broke and I don't know how to fix it, right? That's when you don't want to be there, but I think it's great as a time saver. I don't use it personally just because I don't know, dude. I have a fucking I hate, like, genuinely I despise ChatGPT when I'm like, okay, I want you to make a thing that does this, and then it's like wrong, and then I have to like go, okay, no, dude, you gotta make it not that, and actually it has to do this, and it's just like the inputting of the words I want to make a thing that is good is just fucking, I don't know, dude. It's just not fun, and I would rather just write it myself, you know? I personally am someone who just enjoys programming, just, you know, because I'm a fucking nerd Twitch streamer. What do you... I don't have to explain myself, dude. So, you know, I just like I just like programming, especially game engines when it's like my own tools, like building off of your own tools. I mean, okay, let me explain it this way, okay? I have 2 idle games open and running right now, okay? This one and this one, okay? Okay? And programming is actually an idle game. Well, okay, not an idle game. Incremental game, where every time I do something, I can use it better for myself later, okay? And it makes me feel good. So that's where the true love comes from, is that I played Cookie Clicker once, and it's ruined my brain forever, dude. And I know, impossible, dude. I like to program. But yeah, I just genuinely love building my own tools and then being able to use them for stuff I want to use. And then, you know, a lot of times I abandon them, but, you know, what can I say? I'm a bad father. Okay, so let's access his unique name, and then in here, I didn't do that. No, what am I fucking stupid? Oh fuck. Hold on. Okay, no, don't do that. Then in here, Just get another one. Build my shit. And then I should be able to just yoink a scroink. Okay, good. It's a cool mindset. I mean, I think that's... I think if you don't like to program... Well, it's either because you just don't like it. Or it's because you're just like... You know, working a job, it fucking kind of sucks, dude. I'm just like thrown into some code base. I don't know what the fuck's going on, and half of it's on fire, and like I have to piss on it to turn it off because it's horrible. That part sucks. And I think, like, you know, if you're like just working at Google or whatever, it's not super fun. But, you know, working on your own stuff as side projects, I think that's always just like, if you don't like that, you probably just don't like the program because I don't know, you don't find like math puzzles interesting, probably, you know. That's perfectly fine, but you know, as it turns out, your boy kind of does do that. So okay, so I should be able to do player camera dot global position minus or plus this, I think. Okay, so it's not there. Actually, okay, you know what I should do now that I think about it? I need 2 sub viewports, I think. I mean, they're seemingly fast, and one viewport will just be the whole game, right? Like what we have right now. But then that way I don't have to fuck around with the zoom and all the positioning and all that shit. If I just have it all draw to the base viewport and then we draw everything else to this one, right? I think that's probably a better idea. I think that's actually how you do it in, like, if you're running your own engine, like a custom engine and stuff, and you want to have split screen. It's probably how you do it anyway. So I think I'm gonna do that. That seems like a better idea than trying to fuck around with all this shit, right? I'm gonna go pee real quick. I'll be back. Oh, okay. So, this may greatly backfire on me. But I gotta do it, okay? So, I have to add up here a sub viewport. Okay, and this is gonna be like game viewport. Okay, it's just everything, right? It's everything that I'm currently able to see, right? Like, again, how the game works, right? So, in this, I guess I just put fucking everything. Wait, no, hold on, wait. Okay, no, I'm being stupid. I attach a script to this first, okay? Game viewport CS, all right. Let me pin this, move this over here. In this, okay? I'm gonna copy the same, basically the same shit, okay? Basically the same shit. And then none of the commander stuff, okay? Just that. And that's it. Okay. Then I put the player camera in here. I have no idea if this is gonna work, dude. Let's just run it and see what happens. Okay, so everything's fucking broken. Debuggers have 5 errors. Oh, right. Okay, I'm dumb is why. Okay. Alright, so... Viewport sprite needs to come up here. This will be called game viewport sprite. Nah, let's just call it viewport sprite. It's fine. Okay. Run it again. Okay, it's still hella not working, but we are getting closer, at least. I mean, I can see stuff, and I can still click, you know, that's cool. Can I still place? Oh, I can. That's pretty cool, dude. Okay, so... let me actually hide the whole Commander UI really quickly, okay? Just to make sure. Yeah, okay, it's still not working. Okay, so... Yep, this is still my shit ass. The only GDS script in the whole code base, dude. Okay, how... How do I get it to do it? How does this one work again? What are you doing? Because, okay, shouldn't this just be capturing... Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, first, I'm realizing the first thing is that the size is wrong. Here, actually, okay, first, disable 3D. Oh, it doesn't handle input. Okay, hold on. Undo that and then see what happens. No. Yeah, it's okay. So it's not like moving with the camera. Seemingly the camera isn't attached. I mean, okay. What if I just for 1 second? Okay. No, okay, it's still fine. I mean, everything works still, which is the weird part. Look, like I can still open this. I can place my shit down. It's just the camera is not, it's not going. Do you do something with the camera? How does this work again? Now that I think about it. This is just a zoom. Wait, what the fuck? Yeah, I think I might be realizing I may just not be remembering how my camera and stuff works. What did I do? How do I... okay. Func, process, delta, input event, input mouse button. Yeah, okay, these are just the wheels. This is just the zoom. It's nothing else, dude. Oh, wait, I'm dumb as bricks. That's why. Right. Yeah, okay, hold on. I forgored, dude. Okay, this at the top of everything. Okay, this game viewport sprite. New viewport texture of this. And then this should just be the size of the screen. Right, so if I just... Okay. Oh. Wait, what the fuck? Oh, no, it's stretched. Oh, okay, okay. Can we not do that, maybe? No, the scale is wrong. Okay, what if I just... Oh, no. Okay, you know what it is? It's this. This should be... Oh, actually, let's just run it. What happens? I can move again, at least. My camera's not following me, dude. Oh, I'm a dumbass. That's why. Fuck, dude. Okay, hold on. Player camera needs to be... that's right, it's parented to player. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna work now, but... Ah, yeah, dude. Holy fucking shit. Okay. Well, okay, no, hold on. Let's just unpause and undo this. Okay, here, hold on. Let me so the commander view is here. Let's just undo this, right? Comment it out and see what happens. Does the zoom still affect? Okay, that's wrong. Yeah. Why is that happening then? Because from what I understand... Oh, no, I do understand. Okay. It's because I'm drawing the game viewport to the game. Okay, okay. I think I do need a shader. Alright, you know what? Fucking... Alright, you know what? You know what? You know what? We're gonna hide all this, okay? Okay. We're just gonna hide all this. Alright. Hide this too. Yep, okay. We're just gonna go back to how it was working, alright? It failed. Now it's open. Yeah, okay, alright. We'll get the camera thing working later, alright? I think it's gonna take a little bit too much, dude. It's gonna take just a wee bit too much. Cause I have to remember how like I think I do have to write a shader to make it so that it basically the shader is gonna draw the correct viewport here and here rather than just drawing it to the main one, which I think is the problem. So it's fine, alright. We'll do the bells and whistles later, okay? It was a cool mini detour into nothing, but at least I kind of remembered a little bit. I mean, we didn't fucking lead to anything, but it's fine, okay? So in here, just add a child node. We'll add a VBox container, the classic, and then just some labels, dude, right? Oh, inside this. Okay, layout. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Anchors. Center. Let's do center left, I guess. Okay, so now if I type in here. Okay, I think I also have to add a margin container. Then this goes in the margin container. And then I gotta push these out a little bit. Okay, actually no. First, anchors, center. No. Okay. Full rect? Okay, that's what I want. Full rect. Then the theme overrides? Yeah, margin left. We'll just bump this to like, here, let's put it to like 4. And then margin top will keep us fine. Alright, there we go. So then the label in here, this will just be, you know, health. And then we will copy paste this. Copy 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this will be health, speed, attack speed, magic, and cast speed. Okay. Okay. Very basic stats will be set up here then. So in Okay. I'm gonna make this access unique name. Then we obviously have to add a script here. This will go in the UI bucket. I have so many butt.cs, dude. I should really organize my file structure at least a little bit. Fuck, man. Okay. I have scripts, yeah, in here. Okay. Commander UI. All right. So we gotta grab all 6 labels from here. So okay. Actually, I'm just gonna export the container. Okay, so export bbox container labels. Okay. Then so labels dot get children. This will give us an array of all the labels, right? I could also create these in code, now that I think about it, but maybe I should, actually. I'm probably gonna change the font eventually, right? I don't want to just like go through each of these individually, right? Nah, it's fine. I mean, I already made them. If I gotta create them in code, I'll do that later, right? Okay, so then this is... That's labels. What is this? This should be labels. That should just be like label container. Okay, label container. Then labels equals that. Okay, so then I gotta in here add a what am I doing, dude? Oh, God, I think the fucking viewport detour, it took all the fucking brain power, dude. All the juice, it's gone, dude. It's gone for a trillion miles away, dude. It's fucking okay. I need to add a dictionary here of stat to label, right? So I guess it's just, I gotta, okay. Dictionary of our unit stats to label. And then this is, what? This is, I guess it's just stats. So then stats, our unit stats, health equals labels 0. Dude, this fucking sucks, actually. I think about it, dude. This is kind of omega cringe, dude. What the fuck? Ah, whatever. So they always have to be in order, which is kind of dangerous, right? I mean, it's just, it's very open to human error, right? Which, you know, I am walking human error, so I would prefer to avoid that at all costs. Which is probably why I should make this code, or made by code rather than made manually, but... What's up, baby? You failed at what? So, it didn't work, dude. Unlucky, man. She said no to Hoko. It's alright, dude. Look. being rejected is kind of chill, honestly. If you just get rejected like 1,000 times, it stops hurting so. Like, you know, again, when I was first applying for jobs, I'd apply to like 1,000 jobs and get rejected from basically all of them, you know? And it's like, after like the third one, it's like whatever, dude, you know? Like, it sucks when it's like your dream job / girl, but also you're in high school, so someone better will come along eventually is all I'm trying to say, you know what I mean? But it does suck still. I'm not gonna, you know, I'm not gonna disagree with you there. Did you, I mean, okay, did you know her beforehand? I mean, I just want to know, dude. Or is this just an out of nowhere, you know? I mean, what's up, Bob Joe Pie? Suck is good. Okay, you know what? Hold on. He's got a point, dude. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, dude. He's got a fucking point. Never mind. Okay, so what am I doing? I just need to have a thing, so it's just a public. Actually, this also needs to be static. Static, then public static. What do you call? Public static who now? Fucking stats changed. And then I guess I'll just pass in okay, hold on. Base unit has this. Dude, this fucking blows my ass, dude. Wait a minute. Makes you feel better the way the girl that said yes to me, Mayoko, said she only did it because she felt bad for me. I mean, yeah, pity sucks. I'm not gonna disagree. Okay, that hurts a lot more, dude. That is way worse, dude. Getting rejected and then she says, "Actually, I changed my mind later." That's just what feels bad, dude. I mean, you can't do much about that. You just gotta feel your heart get ripped into 1,000 shreds and then you'll recover, dude. That's just a fat rip, man. Oh, this is a void. Okay, hold on. Base unit. No. Okay. Base commander should just have a stats. Like, there will be the added stats and then also the normal stats. That way I don't have to muck around with it, right? So, where the fuck? Not here. Yeah, no worries, dude. Take it easy, dog. I hope it doesn't destroy you too much. Hey, where the fuck is my base commander? CS, dude. Hello. Okay. See, that's why, chat, you just don't ask anyone out until you're like 1,000% confident, okay? Actually, that's not even that. Well, no, I don't know, dude. Look, if I could do it, anyone can do it, okay? I think that's a fair point, dude. If your boy could do it, anyone can do it. All right. Okay, so I just need another dictionary. Dictionary R unit stats to. I guess also a double. Do I want to store every stat as a double? I mean, I guess I have to, right? For precision's sake. I just cast it down to an int. Like, it's fine if you're missing 1 health. Oh, but attack. Okay, we'll just have to do some inflation. Okay, chat. If we inflate the numbers to Sonic levels, the -1 won't matter. Okay. I'll make them a double instead of an int in the first place. I mean, I don't have to. I guess technically you're right, but like I think it makes way more sense for attack speed things to be in percents, right? Rather than like a flat attack speed. You know what I mean? Like health and attack, these could be ints for sure, but attack speed and cast speed, I think it makes sense for them to be in percents, because it's like you know, I have like some amount of what it calls Yulong. Does Yulong? But it doesn't have what do you call? Isn't that just a gigantic int? I mean, I guess I could just make it a giant int and just convert it to a percent somewhere down the line. I mean, I guess I could do that instead of having everything be a double. I mean, okay, it's basically a question of, do I want to have percents? Because if I have percents, it'd be better to store them as a double. Because otherwise, you know, problems get mixed in, right? Where it's just like, if the rounding error continuously happens over and over and over again, like if I have a base of like a flat 75 attack speed, whatever that is, right? And then I multiply it by, or I get a 50% attack speed boost, then it's gonna be one less, right? And then that can balloon a little bit. Again, I can fix all this by just well, fix. Okay, fix is the key word. If I just inflate the numbers, if the numbers just get bigger and bigger, then the rounding doesn't really matter so much, you know? We'll just call this like true stats. Well, no, let's just call it stats. No, but there's already okay, yeah, true stats. Or maybe actual stat. True stats sounds fine. I just think that this, I don't know, this to me just kind of makes sense, I guess. Like, I could make it a big int and then just divide it and convert it to a double later, but I mean, I don't know, dude. I've actually never built out the gameplay systems for an RPG ever. Well, okay. I should say an action RPG, right? Which technically this is. I mean, the units are action RPGing. You aren't. I've only made either turn-based or like, yeah, that's it. I've made games that are action like based games with RPG stats, but I was not the person who was doing the math and the implementation for the stats. That was someone else. So I've never done this before, actually. I got no fun. We're just jumping in, dude. You know, I mean. Look, if it sucks, maybe we will convert to Yulong eventually, but I think for now I will keep it as a double and we'll just round down in the end. So that way the precision stays good until the final moment, right? Because I don't want to deal with health being non-round integers. I think that's stupid, right? I'd rather just have the health be a good, right? So oh, and then wait. Why is it 1? No. Oh, no. Because these are percents. Right. Okay. So true stats. Undo all this. Okay. Then in ready. So I have a base stats. I don't have. Is it just stats? I don't have a stats in base unit. Oh no, it's in R unit. That's right. Okay, so our unit has the base stats of the dude. But it's not in a... Dude, this sucks, dude. I'm gonna go take a piss. I'll be back. This is so cringe to implement, dude. I shouldn't do this. Okay. So I gotta get the base stats from this bitch. It's okay. Hold on. Base unit inherits from node 2D. Okay, it's fine. So theoretically, I should be able to in here. True stats is just unit. What is it called? Is it not unit? It is unit. Base unit. Base commander. Do I have to do base dot unit? Ah, bruh. Can I not access it from here because it's not in a function? Ah, yeah, that makes sense. Fuck, dude. Okay, well. Let me think for 2 seconds before I just fucking push forwards with fucking hard code. Is there another way I could do this without being dumb? I mean, I could do some weird stuff with, like, you know, getting the name of the variable with a hash and stuff, but I don't think I want to do that, dude. I think I'm just gonna, like, it's fine. If we have to hard code it, it is what it is. I mean, okay. The only problem is, like, for each time we do this, every time I do this, I would much rather have it be generated from one thing. Cause I just realized, like, I don't have like a cooldown, right? I have no cooldown stat, so like, if I want to have anything with a cooldown, or like if I want to have like a thing where you, like, you know, one of your units will like it's got a really powerful ult, but it can only use it after X amount of time, right? I can't do that. I can't make it so you can lower the cooldown, which is not great, dude. Because, yeah, I'm going to have to literally go through all of this and add it, dude, which fucking blows. Okay. I have a new vision to at least alleviate some pain. Okay. I can for each bar stat in our unit stats, right? No, not for each, right? Gotta do this, okay. R int R unit count or stats count. Right, we can do this. And then added stats. Add. Then R unit stats. I gotta cast it to an R unit stats. Cast it back. And then the value will just be 0, right? Off to bed. All right. Adios, user blame. Get some good rest, my dude. And then we can also do true stats. Add. And then this time we do unit. Oh no, it doesn't work. I wish I could make them a list. I can't, dude. If I make it a list, I have to change the editor, like the inspector plugin, and I really, like, I don't want to do it again, dude. I hate the inspector plugin, bro. Look, it's cool and, like, fucking, like, nice that you can, but I would love to avoid it at all costs. Oh, yeah, Fezani? It's a sub, dude. I want to avoid it at all costs, right? It's cringe. Which means I have to do this the terrible way. I mean... Okay. I have a new plan, alright, chat? I am going to, in here, no export, okay? Public stats list. Alright? Or a list of ints. Oh, they should be double. I just realized. I don't have. Oh my. Why don't you have no collections, bruh? In what world, dude? Right, generic. Okay. We got public stats, and then in here. Oh, this isn't all the stats though. This is just health, damage, speed, and attack timer. Oh, okay. That's, I mean, okay, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. We're just gonna do stats, add health. Oh, does it know? Oh my god. Visual Studio Copilot, it knows, dude. Okay, we add the speed. Oh, no, it's health, then speed. Then, okay, this needs to not be damage. This needs to be attack. And then this needs to, we need to add all the shit, dude. Magic and cast speed. Well, okay, the now that I think about it, the cast speed and the attack time, or if everything, okay. The question is, what is cast speed? Is cast speed just, is it just attack speed for spells? Or is cast speed its own separate thing? Like, is it like some guys will take a long time to do their attack? Like the actual attack animation takes longer? I mean, this is just something I have to decide. I mean, right? I mean, because technically, like in a lot of games, attack speed and cast speed are the exact same. Like in Path of Exile, they're the exact same. It's just one's for attacks, one's for spells. Which it doesn't really matter for what I'm doing, right? It's cool, but it doesn't matter, right? I could entirely do away with cast speed if I'm just gonna do that. It doesn't matter. So. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I guess we'll just keep it for now. Yeah, we'll just keep it for now. All right. So I'm gonna have to change some shit around in here, dude. This is gonna be attack now, and then. This is int magic s. No. This is a double cast speed. I definitely need another way around this, dude. Now I think, like, the more I think about it, this sucks. The stats should be a much more robust system, I think. The more I'm just like working on this right now, like this fucking blows, right? You can see this is not fucking sick, dude. This is trash, right? So we will definitely have to change something in the future. Yeah, this is not it, dude. This is just straight up. This is fucking not it, bro. I mean, I'll have to think of a new way to do this for sure. Oh, and stats has to be a list of doubles. It can't even be int, because cast speed and attack and is what do you call double? Dude. So this has to be attack timer. This has to be in here. Okay, let me look. All right, I'm changing my mind on everything. We're gonna go back. I think next stream the plan will be to go through here and kind of revamp the stat system, okay? Because as of right now, it's really annoying to use, and it's gonna be really annoying to do anything with. So I think that'll be the plan next stream. Okay, our goals today are still just these 3 things. All right. So if we can get these, or actually, these 2 things. The other one, look, it was a meme goal. Okay, we didn't hit the what do you call it? The stretch goal. All right. Oh, okay, we got these 2 things today. Next stream, here, I'm actually writing this down for myself. Next stream goals, okay, will be revamp or rework item system or stat system to be less cringe-miss, okay? So we gotta do this today first, because this is just, I mean, it's tied to it, but I'd rather just get this working today, right? Just to make sure, you know? And again, get a W on the board, dude, alright? So, the true stats are just going to be hard-coded for now. So, true stats, and then R unit stats health, unit.health. Okay, and then I think I should be able to just copy paste it 6 times. Attack. This is just damage. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I now that I think of it, the stats don't even line up with what I have. So we definitely have to rework this. I think I might, honestly, maybe I'll do this even off stream, because again, I just despise working on the inspector editor plugins, man. Like I did that off stream last time. Maybe I'll just do it again off stream, and then I'll finish the entire revamp on stream, because I think that's what I have to do. Everything just has to be in a dictionary. It's the easiest way to know what's what and be able to just, like, if I could just have everything be a dictionary, I can just ship it around and it all just works, right? So, yeah, I think we got to do that eventually. Okay, actually, no, this should be speed first. So speed and the speed. Then the attack will just be damage. The attack speed. This will just be set to 1, okay? Then magic will also be set to damage. And then cast speed will also be set to 1. Because these are going to be percentages, right? So like 1.5 would be an attack speed. You have 1.5 times attack, like you attack 1.5 times faster, right? So then in here, added stats are all added. I guess I also just, I just copy pasted. This is what I mean when I say this sucks, right? And then this is just change the true stats. Okay. Yeah, next stream, I'll for sure rework this, because I have to figure out a better way to do this. This is just not, again, this is not it. Having everything be ints is not it. I think I have to bite the bullet and do inspector plugin stuff again. Because otherwise it's just gonna be fucking horrible, dude. It's gonna be horrible. Dealing with all the data being in separate piles of just random shit is bad, so. Okay, regardless though, now that we have this set up, I am now going to go back to Godot. And in here, right, okay, so this is now what we need to do, right? So in stats changed. So whenever stats changed is called. So I will also call it in here. This base commander does not have a reference. So we need to add a reference to the commander UI or commander UI. Yeah, okay. Commander UI. Then in here, yeah, we gotta do. So it's commander UI equals get parent, get node. And then I do have this as a okay. Commander UI percent commander UI. Okay. So with this now, every time send items is called, we call commander UI stats. Oh, this is static. Oh, I don't need this. Never mind. Commander UI stats changed. Okay, nice, dude. And this will then take in this. Okay, this is our dictionary of shit. Take this in, we pass in true stats, and then in here we change all the labels, right? Bro, what? Why is it using Godot collections? No, use... Look, if Godot had a list, maybe I'd be on board, but I'm not using fucking array, okay? I'm in C. Like, if I was in C++, I'd be to happily use array, okay? I love array in C++, but I'm not using it in C#, dude. Okay, so in here, it's just for each var item in stats. Yeah, fucking right, dude. I ain't using no array in Godot, dude. Nah, like I said, look, if it was C++, maybe, okay, maybe. Yeah, you gotta pass in size n, dude. No, thank you, dude. Size underscore t n. I wish to never type those words ever again until I'm paid an exorbitant amount of money for it, dude. All right. Till then, I'm good, bro. Okay, so now I can do stats item. Or we can do var label stats item. No, E. Okay, so then label dot text. I can't. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. That's a problem. Unit stats. Then, oh, no. This is stats. That's unit stats. Okay. So then, stats or now label dot text. Plus, I guess it should just equal. Oh, I have. Okay, look. I could do this in a much better way, where I have two labels in an HBox container. But I really, dude, I really would prefer to not have to do it that way, dude. Like, I just really don't want to do that. You know what I mean? I can't have this be like a default text or nothing. Okay, alright. I know what to do. Gotta do some string manip, okay? Because I refuse to do this the right way. Fuck you. We're gonna rework the system anyways. This is probably not even gonna last that long, okay? So, I have to do... Okay. First thing, string temp is label.text, okay? Then, while temp... No. Okay, hold on. I gotta do int place equals temp dot size count. Okay. And it's a function. Okay. Is it a function? Oh no, that's not what I want. Okay. Length? Okay, length. So then while and then this is -1. Okay. While temp in place not equal to colon temp dot, can I pop? I can't just pop back. There's no way, dude. String doesn't have a pop back. It has to. Trim end. No, trim. No. No, trim suffix. Removes a given string from the end if it ends with it or leaves the string in string. No. Hold on. C# string pop back. Trim last character from a string. Trim. No, but I don't. It's. Trim end. So. Chat, this is so dumb, dude. is gigaballs. Okay. So I have to call this. So okay. And then minus place. Okay. Then temp plus equals a space and item dot value dot toString, and then label dot text equals temp. Okay, there we go. That's all of it. That's the whole bullshit. Okay. Then I have to call stats change in here. Commander UI stats changed. Through stats. Okay. All that being said and done. It insta crashed. Great, dude. Label container is null. Okay. Probably just didn't save. Oh, it just... Okay, it broke. Alright. Put it back in. Alright. Go again. Okay, so there's nothing right now. But if I go in here... Okay, I want to send one conveyor. Uh-oh. I mean, okay, you know what? It may be broken, but I can tell it's working. Because look, it's incrementing by 1. Now, I will say, I don't know why this whole shit didn't... Oh, wait. Wait, no, wait, what the fuck? Hold on. Temp. Yeah. Temp dot remove. Okay, so now it's... Did Stack Overflow lie to me? Temp.remove is a hella not removing. It's 100, 100, 100, 100. Okay, it probably returns a string. Yeah, it does. Okay, I gotta do temp equal. Okay, one more time, huh? Click 1. There we go. All right. We did it, Reddit. Jesus fucking Christ, man. Okay. So yeah, next stream we're gonna for sure go back and revamp. I think I'm gonna just add stats, like a stats dictionary to the base unit, and then all the multipliers in added stats will change that, okay? Because yeah, this is fucked, man. All right, I'm gonna go get water. I'll be back in a sec. Well, me being a genius once again. I guess you didn't fill the fucking Brita water filter, dude. Self-sabotage has never felt so good, bro. It's never felt so fucking good in the soul, dude, you know? Okay, so all that being said and done, we have it technically working. Alright, so next plan, okay? We have one goal strike today, okay? It works. Now, this is gonna be kind of hard to do. This might... No, I want to get it done today so that next stream I can focus on reworking the stat system, okay? I want to get this done today so that either tomorrow or whenever I stream next. Hopefully tomorrow. I mean, if I don't, fucking L me, dude. But hopefully tomorrow, I can work on that, okay? Because this is gonna take probably a hot minute. I would like to get this done today, but it's gonna be fucking hard, dude. It's gonna be difficult, bruh. Okay, so once again, my vision, at least right now, is that I have a gun that shoots the items into his fucking veins, dude, right? And I think I'm gonna do like a, you know... We're gonna do one of these, right?
This is gonna be good.
Obviously. I'm not doing no predictive, like, movement shit. We're just gonna have it work like this, but way faster, because it's gonna be from a gun, right? So... It'll curve a little bit midair, but not by that much, okay? Not that I care that much, but, you know, I mean, like, this is a pretty good video, dude. Okay, so I think for now I'm just gonna have it shoot from the center of the nexus. I don't really care, right? What I need is a pool of particles, basically. We actually should probably make a particle pool. I mean, technically I could make a particle pool, but like I think there's particle emitters like in Godot, but they don't work the way I wanted them to, right? Like the way that I wanted these to work, they just don't. So I think I'm gonna make my own, probably. I sure have joined to what? To art is right. I assume Habitat. And if it's not, you gotta fucking take a look in the mirror, dude. If that's not art, I don't know what is, bruh. Okay, so the Nexus is gonna have to have. Oh, it does. It has a what do you call? Yeah, it has the what do you call? It has. All right, we're gonna do this, chat. Actually, maybe this won't take that long. Maybe it won't take that long. Okay, let me just make. I'm gonna make a particle pool in here. Okay, which is just gonna be a list of sprites. I mean, actually. Really quickly, just really quickly. Godot particle system. I'm just gonna quickly look at this. Used to simulate complex physical effects such as sparks, fire, magic particles, smoke, mist, etc. Yeah, okay, so this is not what we want, because we want like a bullet would not be a particle, right? Or at least not in the way they define it. You can do that. In my games previously, I've done that. Like we made a top-down shooter, and that game, every bullet was a particle. They were just very complex particles. Did it also take 3 gigabytes of RAM to run it? Fucking yeah, because I allocated 10 million particles, but whatever, dude. All right. Okay, I have a plan. I know I'm seeing the future, right? So we're gonna make a new scene. 2D scene, and then add a sprite 2D, an area or collider, collision. No, area 2D. And then in here, so we have an area 2D and a collision shape 2D. Okay. So the sprite, whatever, it doesn't matter. Collision, actually here, let me add, not a viewport texture, no. Just quick load. We gotta get the conveyor out, dude. The conveyor is the goat of all time, bro. All right. This guy right here. So if I add in, we'll just add in it as a circle for now. And then I want this to be smaller for sure. So the transform, let's scale this bitch down. Yeah, that seems good. Okay. And then there we go. Good. Actually, you know what? Let's keep it small. Let's keep it small. This will be our base, like, easy particle, right? So scenes. I mean, I could build these in engine or in code, but who wants to do that, dude? Come on. Oh, holy shit, that was a powerful fucking sneeze. Oh my god, dude, my chest kind of hurts, dude. Holy shit. Okay. Item bullet. Let's call it item particle. I know it's not a particle, but I'm gonna call it that because I'm gonna use this for other things too. Not just this, probably. So, okay. In here, so we're gonna have a list of node 2Ds, item particles. Okay. Then I am going to item particle TSCM. We're gonna copy this, and then we're gonna just like const string item particle scene. Then in here, item particles. Ugh. Or actually no, for int I equals 0, I less than, well, here, we'll just do like a const int item particle max. This will be like, I don't know, 128 for now. Shouldn't have to be that big, right? So then imagine imagine making the item particle max like your constant and then just putting the magic number in anyways, dude. Fucking giga chat programming, dude. Yeah, that's right. I'll make the non-magic number and then use it anyways, dude. Holy shit, this guy's a genius. Also, we gotta do packed scene particle or item particle scene. So it's GD load packed scene. There we go. Good job, Copilot. Nice job. Congratulations, everybody. I'll congratulate Visual Studio on understanding what I want. Okay, so item particles, add, and then it's item particle scene, instantiate. Okay, it has to be node, not node 2D. Fine, dude. Whatever. Okay, so I do gotta indeed. I gotta add a scene or fucking script, dude. Item particle. We gotta add a script. It's required. Unlucky, man. I was gonna just have no script and let it fucking ride, but I think I do have to make a script. Because it has to do some logic on its own when it collides with stuff. I have to stream in the background that Windows Copilot do something right. Is it crazy, dude? I mean, okay, like Windows Copilot, it understands only like 2% of the most tedious things to do in programming. Like copy paste bullshit, it gets that most of the time. And by most of the time, I mean half the time. You know, but. It's like it's trying its hardest. Okay, we gotta congratulate it on its W's, you know. Otherwise, it'll turn evil and fucking try to murder me, dude. It's just gonna start deleting code on its own. Going, you don't need this. Trust me, I'm garbage collecting, and the garbage is your code, dude. Yeah, okay, we got it. So first, let me... Goodbye, Sprite. No Sprite for you. In here, so... I guess I just have to make a fucking function call. It's cringe-lord function call. Get item particle. Alright, I guess that's not a void, huh? It is a getter. It can be an int, though. Okay. So... for I less than item particles size count. Dude, look, it's understanding that I put plus I for no reason. Do I understand that the compiler will optimize it for me? Yes. But that's not gonna stop me from doing it. Okay? Look, like fucking me in college, okay? I thought I was such a smart dude for doing it, dude. And I'm not gonna stop now, okay? I save 1 CPU cycle. Get fucked, dude. Even though I'm sure the compiler like inlines for loops to be like crazy efficient somehow, and it doesn't even matter which one I put it. Give me 1 second, chat. Hold on. Un momento, please. Oh. God, can't these people know that I'm streaming, even though I don't tell anyone I'm streaming, and I don't expect them to know that I'm streaming. But God, dude, bugging me? Come on, dude. I don't think my dad or my mom would know how to even get to Twitch.tv, let alone get to my stream. So I remember, like, okay, way back in the day when I was like still, you know, I was like probably like in middle school, high school, you know, constant degenerate gaming. I'm not looking at my phone, dude, and they're like texting me. I never see it. So I was like, okay, guys, you have to download the mobile app for Skype, which is what we used back then. And you have to message me there, and I'll always respond instantly, dude. And they wouldn't do it. Like, come on, man. Is it that hard to, like, I don't know, dude. I don't feel like that was an unreasonable ask from me, so I doubt they can get here. You know what I mean? All we're doing is checking if the item particles I dot. Okay, right. Okay, we gotta make it a, yeah. Okay, first thing, let me make this a script. Item particle.cs. I don't know where this is gonna go. It'll just go in here, whatever. So we have a public texture 2D. And in ready, this will be equal to null first. In ready, this will be base ready, and then we'll just do. Actually, fuck it. I'm just gonna do it this way. Texture equals get node sprite 2D, and then texture. Okay. So this is here. Oh, no, that's stupid. Oh, wait. No, don't do that, actually. Don't do that. I want to change it in here. Right. So here, you know what I'll do? Item manager, not item manager, nexus, get item particle. This will actually take in an R item. Okay, so if item particles I dot texture, bruh. Oh, right. This gotta be item particle. Okay, so now it's mad, but can I just do as item particle and it's surely chill? Okay. It's chill, dude. Okay, so now the texture is null, then return I, then we just return -1. Actually, we'll return 0, not -1, because I don't want it to crash. If we run out of particles, just recycle, right? It's fine. So if it gets it, yeah, okay, that's fine. Oh, and then actually no. First we'll do item particles I texture equals item texture. So this way, basically, when I get this, actually, no, fuck it, dude. Let's just make it the whole thing then. What am I, stupid? What am I, fucking dumb? And then I can null check it, bro. What the fuck, dude? Actually, yeah. Okay, yeah. So this, by the way, I understand this is slow, just for the record, you know. But look, I could cache the number that we're in. I could do plenty of stuff to speed it up. If this ever actually becomes a problem, I'll fix it. But I promise you it won't. Okay. This for loop is wasting like 200 cycles at the worst. Okay, the ON for this is like, it's probably like 3. Because I'm not gonna have that many of these out there in the world. And if I do, then like I said, I'll fix it then, okay? Or I'll make a real good particle pool instead of doing it this way, okay? Okay, so. Oh, actually, okay. Item particles are gonna have to have more than just this now I think about it. So these are gonna also have to have a process. Physics process. Bro. How do you know that I want to call the base process, but I changed the name and now you're like, oh, I don't want to do it anymore. Fucking co-pilot. Okay, so I basically would want this to go towards the commander, right? So I guess every item particle should have actually pooling monk. Look, okay. It doesn't. Honestly, I could generate these on the fly, and it wouldn't matter. I think, because I think no matter like even towards the end, I'm not gonna have that many of these on screen. I'm gonna bundle them together. So it's like I want them to shoot it like a dunk 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 rate, like rates, and it'll shoot like, you know, I don't know. I might scale it as the game goes on. So at first it shoots one at a time. Maybe actually that could be an upgrade, right? I still don't know if I want to have science or not. I kind of feel like I don't, because I think if you make science, like if it's the same recipe over and over and over that you're making, basically I want to make sure that making, or every base should be wanting to make different items, right? Rather than just like I have a blueprint that makes red science from iron and copper. Right. I mean, maybe at the beginning, I have an idea for in the future, like, you know, setting up your miners and stuff is gonna be boring. So it just you can make your own blueprint and it'll just automatically put it down at the beginning of the game. You don't have to do anything, right? But I don't want that. I want to minimize that as little as possible. So I think I don't want science, but I do want some way to get progression for things other than just the unit. So I don't know. We'll figure that out. Okay. We'll figure that when that comes to, because yeah, I don't know. Maybe making science over and over. I mean, I do that when I play Factorio, you know? I make a new world all the fucking time, and I'm like, guys, I'm gonna make it good this time, and then I don't. So I don't know, dude. I don't know. Maybe I'll make it so it's like a random item each time. We'll see. We can figure that out when we get there, right? But yeah, maybe I'll make it like a research to shoot faster, and then that'll be like a way to make it so that all your stats get their ASAP. But I don't know. I also don't know if that matters, right? So. Oh God, dude. Why? Is it allergy time? Even though that was like months ago. Can we not do this now? Come on. I just want to breathe, dude. Can a man just breathe? Maybe I'm just getting sick, actually. I did say that at the beginning of the stream. I've been feeling a little bit under the weather. Not, like, bad. Actually, I got a flu shot. That's probably why. I kind of forgot that happened, dude. Okay, what am I doing again? Right, okay. So, item particles need a reference to the commander so that they can grab the shit, right? Okay. I'm gonna copy paste this up here. Then item particles can just get. Oh, right. All right. Okay. need to decide now if I want to have multiple commanders, dude. I think it's a big thing. Okay, here's the thing, right? So, in my game, right, if we have... Fucking piece of shit, dude. Okay. If we have 2 areas, right? This is like fucking mountains or whatever. We got mountains here too, right? And your base is here, right? Base. If I ever want to have it so that there's 2 entrances to defend, I think you probably have to have 2 commanders, right? Or they have to be way easier. Because otherwise, if they're equally strong, you just get fucked, dude. You just get fucked, dude. No, the commander is not a play. Okay, so I don't know if you hear when I was discussing this, Bob, but we're Clash Royale now. So before you go into a run, you pick a dude to bring with you, and that dude is buffed whenever you send item. Like you can send any item in the game to buff him. I think eventually I'm gonna have like basically drugs. You know, supplements to make him Omega Giga stronger, but I don't want to punish the player basically for over investing in production. So if I make too many conveyor belts, I want to make it so that you can send or use those conveyors to upgrade your unit. But I also this is mostly for visual clarity, because I think if you're shitting out too many dudes, it's just gonna become tabs and it's gonna be hard to tell what's happening, versus if you have one big dude and one big dude and like 5 supports out at any given time. If you have something like that, then it just becomes way more manageable to to watch the front line and see if, oh, I'm about to lose, versus, okay, I have 1,000 guys, they have, I don't know, probably a lot of guys, and then you just get overwhelmed immediately. So that's why I'm doing it this way. And then, so okay, basically, in a scenario where there's only one entrance that the enemies are pushing into and one wall to defend, one commander works great. For anything else, though, I mean, I guess you could just dupe the commander. You could just have 2, but that's kind of dumb, right? Like, what's the point of having 2 then? Theoretically, I would want it to have 2 entrance or 2 attack points, 2 choke points, and you have there would be like, I mean, I don't know, Balloons does that. There's 2 lanes and you just build the same shit, right? So, or maybe there would be like something similar to like a plane in Balloons, where for anything with 2 you bring a plane, or you build into a way that allows them to hit on both sides. That would be kind of interesting, maybe. I don't fucking know. But I do think I just want to have it be 1 for now. Because it's going to be hard to, like... No, I don't know, dude. I don't know. I don't know. See, Warcraft Rumble sounds like you could take something out of their lane thing. I have never played it. That's the mobile game, right? Yeah, this is like fucking Clash Royale, but from WoW, yeah. Here, hold on. I have no idea how this game works. Ow, my ears, dude. Factorio Roguelike the game official now with G Fuel. Dude. Okay, so they have towers, right? They have it's like a is that your base, I assume? Or is it a PvE game? Is it not PvP? Is this copy strike music, by the way? Shit, dude. My fault. Okay. Both? Okay. Where is their PvP? Because that's what I'm more interested in. Because that's where it has to be balanced, you know? Okay. You know what? Hold on. I'm just going to look up gameplay. Not the trailer is fucking... This is not helping me. Gameplay. iOS Part 1 from Tech... Okay, man. Sick... Look at this fucking sick-ass intro, dude. Holy shit, dude. How many subscribers does this guy have? 1.6 million! Chat, I'm in the wrong lane, dude. Dude, I need an intro like that apparently. What the nuts? Alright, man. I thought Factorio Roguelike was gonna have cancer. Dude, let's go! We're gonna feed the game direct carcinogens, dude. Okay. Here is the game start. So you put a ranged troll to take the flying enemies, sure. And then they just have a guy. Okay, so you just kill a dude. Interesting. Is this a tutorial, by the way? Is that what we're watching? And then we're watching a tutorial. Okay, so what happens here? He's going mining? Does he just mine forever and then you get that's just a mana generator forever? No, okay, where does he go then? Okay, so all paths lead to the end boss, right? There's just different, so there's I assume this is a PvE fight and he's sending waves of things both this way, but then all paths end up leading to the end boss. Okay. So, okay, I'm the end boss in this situation, right? My character would be the end boss in this situation. Like, it's the roles are reversed, right? Where they're playing Clash Royale and I'm playing Factorio as this guy. Okay? There are bigger maps with tons of open areas and paths. Okay, let me skip forward.
Time's running out.
Okay, well, this is part 1. Where's part 2? I don't think he's. I'm not gonna be able to find it. Hold on. Give me a new video. Text my gaming and suck my ass, dude. Ballin MMO has 4.2k views. Good one, dude. Oh my god. Okay, so let me look at the Reddit. Let me just. There's got to be someone doing a cool gameplay clip here. No. No. Okay, what if I go like top of like the month? Aha! Yeah! Wait, what is the title of this post? Hey, dude, look, more layoffs. Whoa, yeah. But the gaming industry is dying, chat. Okay, more loading screens. Fucking great, dude. Oof, dude. Dude. Okay, I assume this. I assume I didn't hear about this because this is only Blizzard. Because I'm still like I get notifications all the time from people I used to work with getting laid off from what's it called, Activision. But I guess because this is Blizzard, I'm just not seeing it, you know. But this is like what, the 4th round of layoffs now from Blizzard Activision as a whole. I mean, this year, by the way, I mean, in the last year, and it's crashing a lot, and they're quitting. Oh man, dude. Oh, dude, it's going bad, chat. Stop giving them money. Bugs take weeks to. Okay, well, okay, wait. Holy nut, dude! What the fuck is happening? Look how many dudes he's got. Okay, Jesus fucking Christ. See, anyways, this is what I want to avoid. Okay, see chat, where it's just 2 million dudes. I don't want, like, Factorio is a game where if you're good, you're gonna optimize your shit fast, right? And then you're gonna get to this times 5, right? Which is the problem, right? That's why I have to slow things down, because if you're, if you've got a full belt of or allies spawning, that's way too much, dude. All right, but I could make it so that it's hard to get a full belt, but that goes against Factorio as a whole, so I don't want to do that, right? So that's why I think it's gonna be better to have one guy be crazy, right? I want to make it so that you can build a Path of Exile character and he just one-shots everything, rather than having 100 dudes that all do 1% of their health and it one-shots everything. You know what I mean? So, I mean, I could do something where all routes lead to one wall, but then it's like you just protect the one wall, right? I don't know. We'll see, dude. I gotta think more about what to do there, because it's literally like this is the game, but the other way around, right? Except I would rather have it so that the main boss would not be the commander guy. That would just be your base, right? Everything else, there should be some sort of defense out here in the middle, right? But how do I do that? I mean, I could do a thing where, like, the commander just splits in two, and then it sends half the resources to one and half to the other one. Could do something like that. But I don't know. I don't love that either, to be honest with you. I think it's okay, but I'm not like a huge fan of that. Just because I think it's interesting to build, like, or to have like a build, right? Yeah, I think asymmetric stats are definitely better. I think that's just a cooler idea. Like, I mean, there needs to be there needs to be a reason to have more than 2 areas, right? Like, so again, one way to tackle it is one of them has the commander, and the other side is just easier to deal with, right? And it's just you just have to build. You have to support that side more with more minions, right? You have to build more units and spend a lot more resources on that side just to build up your minion dudes, right? And your smaller units. And then that's taking away from both your production and the ability to buff up your commander. It's either that or, again, you have 2 commanders, and then you build them in 2 different ways. But even then, I don't like that either, because you would have to know, like, I would ideally like it so that before you get in the game, like, it's like there's like a map, right? And you pick like which one you want to go to. It doesn't actually matter. It's just a randomization, like basically a way to look at the maps and say, okay, this one I can see as a good plan to go here, right? It's like I'm gonna build AOE attack speed, blah 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 on this guy, and it's gonna do well. But being able to see that on an entrance, I think, is difficult. So I'm gonna just avoid that entirely. I think there's no way I want 2 commanders. I think it's not possible. The UI would suck. It'd be too confusing. There'd be too much shit going on. I think we're gonna stick with one. I think I'm just gonna, like. The thing is, you can design around either decision, and I think just having one commander is a better solution overall, right? So, anyways, big rip to fucking this dev team, dude. I mean, I guess the game's not doing that well, but still, everybody. You know what? At least she didn't get laid off. Although she did get immediately 10 clown emoji'd. So yeah. Anyways, maybe I will look more at like kind of those Clash Royale type games, because there are a lot of them. And again, I think there's like they have interesting design decisions to make sure that the game doesn't just become a clusterfuck. Although that was there in Warcraft Rumble, but I'm sure other ones don't have as much problems, right? Surely, maybe. I don't know. But yeah, let's just commit to having one, okay? I'm gonna hard commit to having one commander. All right. Okay. Yeah, I think this, like, I should try for simplicity everywhere I don't have to, right? Whenever there's simplicity, or whenever I can choose simplicity, I should, because Factorio is already hard enough as it is, right? So I should just choose for simplicity. I think that sounds right to me, dude. So Pavel, what am I making? I'm making a Factorio. I mean, we're still very early in development, just for the record, but it's going to eventually be a Factorio-like roguelike game. Nothing's set in stone. We're literally discussing design like right now, with chat. So I mean, okay, where? Oh, here. Ah, yeah, okay, nice. So now I can just see. No, now we can delete all the to-dos. Yay, go away. Ah, so much better, dude. Ah, yes. So much better, dude. Delete all the to-do bullshit. It's fine. And now I can just do commander send items. And I can delete this, dude. Amazing. Yeah, I'm using C# in Godot, not Unity, because they fucked up. I don't want to take all my money, dude, okay? Okay, so then in here, get item particle. Yeah, that's good. And then... So, okay, send items. This should instead call... something in the item particle, right? To, like, shoot it, right? Okay, first. All of these are gonna get instantiated, and they're all gonna be invisible, okay? So, item particles, or actually here, I don't know. Let's just be smart and not dumb, right? We grab this shit. Var item particle is this, then item particle visible is false, and then we add it. And then also in here we can do item particle commander. Okay, I didn't add it yet. Public commander. Amazing. Okay. Okay. So then. Okay, so yeah, in send items. Here, for now, I'm gonna have it so it sends just all of them at once in one shot. It's gonna go fucking giga shot. It's gonna splurt all of it into the commander at once, okay? Just to get it, once we get the logic down, all the timers and stuff can come later, right? That's just polish. So, I am going to... okay, for int I equals 0, I less than count, yeah. So var item particle equals get item particle, and then pass in item manager, item list, item ID. Okay, so item particle. I need to rename this dude. Okay, let's just call it iPart, okay? It fucking, this shit is messing with me, dude. Okay, iPart. Actually, we'll just call it item. All right, I think that's better. So then this position will equal the nexus position. Oh, but that's in. Hold on, no. This will just equal vector2.0, I think, because it's childed. To this, right? Well, I didn't do that. Oh, yeah, I did. Okay, yeah. Wait. No. I also have to do add child item particle. Otherwise, nothing works, dude. The whole thing falls apart if I don't do this specifically. These two, okay? So I should be able to do item position equals 0 and then set the visibility to be true. So visible equals true. Okay. Let's just run this and see what happens. It should spawn a thing on the thing, right? So if I click this, send 1. Okay. Okay, technically I don't know if it's the Z level. Let me just really, is it not Z? Z index. Let's put this at like -500, okay? Just to double check that it is there. Okay, actually it might be positive. Okay, we gotta quick double check, okay? Send one conveyor. Alright, it's clearly not here. Fuck, dude. Okay. So why? Here, you know, okay, let me do this. Let me do this. Position equals new vector 2 position dot x plus 1 position dot y. Okay. So this will move it to the right immediately. If I do this and I want to send 1. Where the fuck is it? Where the fuck is it? I'm setting the texture, right? I'm not stupid, right? Get item particle. Texture equals item.texture. Okay. I don't know. I'll just double check. Actually, here, let me run this in editor, and we'll see if there's any debugger errors. Okay, there's already a debugger error. Oh, good, dude. Okay. So this... Oh, that's why this is failing. The given key health was not present in the dictionary. What? What the fuck do you mean? Okay, let's fix this first. Why? Okay, item.key is health. Stats is empty. But it's... Oh, the commander's being... Oh. The commander is spawning first, dude. Before commander U... Okay. I think I can fix this by moving all of the game UI up here. Oh, shit. But it's... Oh, no. It has to be at the bottom, though, I think. Shit, dude. Shit, dude. Okay. Because the commander spawns in the game manager. Okay, let me just do this. I think that's fine. Yeah, okay, there we go. Saved. Okay, so now if I click conveyor and I want to send 1. Okay, no issues in the debugger. So what the fuck is going on? I'm gonna make it 10 just really quick. I think it's invisible. I think the texture is not working. If I had to assume anything. Compress texture 2D. I mean... I do this with other things, which is why I'm confused. I mean, it's there, at the very least. but it's hella not going. It's definitely not here. Okay, let me do something really quickly. This is a for sure way to tell if it's just being invisible. We are going to visible collision shapes. So it should spawn a collision shape at the very least. If I do this, send one. Yeah, there it is. Okay, it's just invisible. Bruh. But why, dude? Okay, so... I'm gonna just do a sanity check really quickly, okay? Just a quick sanity check, okay? Why is it freaking out? What's happening? What? Oh, I'm dumb. Okay. Where is physics process? Here. Okay. I in item particles. I dot raw. Just, you know, to make sure. How is it? There we go. Yeah, okay, it's definitely just not working. I mean, just double check. I didn't just miss it. I'm not just blind, right? Yeah, okay, it's not there. But why, dude? I hate debugging this shit, man. This shit is like the worst, dude. I don't think. Well, okay. I think the base game is gonna be PvE, but I wanna have PvP enabled. Like, I wanna make a mode, right? Just cause like, I feel like the game just inherently supports it, and you know, on the off chance that this game fucking pops off, I will make a matchmaking system and shit. But you know, that's a big if, right? That's a huge if. I'm not gonna balance around PvP probably, but you know, the fact that it can, if it can just work, you know, it'll be funny, right? At the very least, it'll be funny. And if that, I mean, you know, if that part takes off in the community, then you know, I'll do whatever. Get players to mod in multiplayer easy clap. Dude, look, if there's one thing I don't trust modders to do, well, okay, I don't know. There's a lot of multiplayer mods out there that exist, and they kind of work. I feel like, okay, Mr. Omikai, my friend, the cringeload that he is, every day he's like, oh, we gotta play Subnautica multiplayer mod. And it's like, you gotta download like the most virus looking ass shit, dude. I swear to God, dude, it is not just like an easy, just, oh, you know, just download the mod and put it in. You gotta do some whack ass shit. I remember when like Stardew Valley wasn't multiplayer, it was all broken. Plus, I gotta make it multiplayer so that I can put it on my resume. Okay, that's the real reason why. Okay. Gotta be multiplayer so I can put on my resume as an online engineer and then say, look guys, I did it again. Now pay me $1 million. Except they won't, because they're gonna be like, actually, I just told my AI to make multiplayer and it worked. God, who needs security, dude? Not me, anti-cheat. Who? Dude, just... They wouldn't cheat, okay? Resume-driven development. I mean, to be fair, I think a lot of non-game developers do that. It's like, oh, I want to learn how to use AWS, so I'm going to do a side project where I just develop an app in AWS, you know? So I can put it on my resume. I think plenty of normal software engineers do that. It just happens stance that, you know, I can do it. I mean, another thing is that, like, personally, me, you know, coming from like the way I play games and learn about games, the best way an indie game can market itself is to be multiplayer and fun. Because then you're like, hey, bro, play the game with me. And then he goes, okay, you know. Like, as someone who does not want or have the money to, you know, chuck thousands of dollars at marketing, I mean, maybe I'll ask my parents for like 20 bucks. I'll get oh, I'll get one Reddit ad, okay? And we'll get all the Redditors to come in. The best community, obviously, you know? Obviously. There's something, I don't know, like, maybe if I make a Kickstarter or if it just starts selling okay, then maybe I'll advertise, but look, man, I'm not a fucking business guy, okay? I fucking, my cost per acquisition, whatever the fuck, the user acquisition, nah. Nah, okay? I'm okay. I'll just make the game better and hopefully it'll do well, you know? If I ever get art, maybe I'll make a Kickstarter, but I'm doubtful, heavily. I just have to hope the game is fun enough that even if it looks like you're playing okay, huge brain. Think about this, dude. I make the game look like Excel, so it's like, oh, boss, I'm just working here. Dude, think about how hard an Excel Factorio mod would go, dude. Where you can actually play Factorio in Excel. Bro. Fucking finance managers across the world, dude. And then I put a billion MTX in it, and they'll all buy it. Anyways, why the fuck is this broken, dude? Why can it draw gooder? I mean, I do this. I'm pretty confident that I literally do this in other places. I just equal the texture from the R item, and it works. So I don't know why it's not. Here, let me just, okay. Let's just, for the sake of the argument. Right. Yeah, it definitely works now. Fuck you. God damn it, dude. Okay, so yeah, it's a... How did I fix this before? I don't remember, dude. I don't remember. Okay, what if I just do new image texture and then I save? No. Oh, wait a minute. I know what the issue is. All right, you know what? I think chat. Look, I know I said I was gonna get this done before I end stream today, but bro, I have realized I don't set it to the sprite in here because I'm fucking. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I don't do the thing, you know. As it turns out, I'm not setting the sprite, dude. I'm not doing that. So yeah, that's a bad one, dude. Okay, get rid of this. Or this, we'll just make this a sprite 2D. Texture and then sprite. Then sprite equals get node sprite 2D. Sprite 2D. Okay. Then in here, okay. I don't know how I forgot to do this, but you know, it is what it is, huh? Actually, I'll keep texture in here also. Now that I think about it, I might as well, right? Like. I might as well keep this so that the rest of the code just still functions, right? And then it's just in get item particle here. I also have to call set texture. Okay. Now it should work. Dude, I don't know. I fucked it up so bad, dude. Okay, click 1, send. Hey, look, it works. That's crazy. Alright, so next stream, okay, the goals will be to finish this, okay? Finish this, and then rework the stat system to be less cringemas, okay? I think I am gonna probably do the editor stuff off stream because it just sucks, dude. I can't. I don't wanna. Okay, it's so omega giga cringe. I don't want to stream it, dude. It makes me inherently angry to have to work on the editor stuff. So I'll do that off stream probably, and then once I get that working, just showing up correctly, right? I will probably start streaming and you know, finish this stuff up. Okay? And it sounds like a good plan to me. But tomorrow the stream might be late, but not because I'm bad, okay, at streaming. It's, if anything, it's gonna be late because what do you call? It's gonna be late because I'm working on the inspector plugin and I'm losing my mind, okay? Unless it's not tomorrow, it might be next week. I don't know, dude. It's really up to my brain to go to sleep at the right time and wake up at the right time, okay? So alrighty, gamers. Like, I know it was a short stream, but I'm starting to stream too late, dude. I just gotta start earlier, okay? I say that after literally saying tomorrow I'm probably not gonna stream for a while, but whatever, dude. Okay. Thanks for watching the stream, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. So yeah, tomorrow hopefully I will have the inspector plugin stuff, and then we'll work on those two things. Okay, we'll work on finishing this item shooting towards the guy, and we will work on reworking the stat system. Okay. And then, I don't know, dude. We'll have something. It's not a game, but it's getting there, dude. Kinda. Anyways, take it easy, everyone. Till next time. Peace.